Hey everyone, Josh here, welcome back to the channel. I have got the first haul of the year to share with you. £3 on the filler bag, I think £2.50 on some other bits and bobs, and a £5 box sort of job lot deal from another house clearance guy. So I will be sharing all of that with you now. Let's get started on the filler bag. So if you're new to the channel, filler bag is a bag for life. You rummage through about 20 boxes on the floor, you chuck it in, you pay £3. So each item generally costs me about 10 to 20p depending on how much I grab. So my investment is much smaller, which means I'm happy to buy items or pick up items that I can list for about £5. That's my minimum aim for each item I grab and fill a bag is £5. These used to do really, really well. It has the key. I believe this is a CD one. It is. The side has popped off, but that's okay. Or is it floppy disk? I think it's a floppy disk one, actually. I think they do CD and floppy. I've sold the single one of these for £12. So hopefully a double will go for about the same. It's got a crack here in the lid, but I think I'll still get a couple of quid for it. Some dress patterns. I bundle these up. They go for about £10 for a handful. They're just easy to throw in. Okay, this was £3 off Steve's table. It's a Carboot tempo. I have just noticed there's a bit of a chip there, but that should be okay. I paid £3. It's not worth much more than 10. But he always, you know, keeps it for me, so I might as well keep him sweet for a little bit. And a lid that I don't think is Pyrex. I can't see any markings or any branding on it, but I will double check that later. Editing Josh here, just to update people. I don't list the Pyrex. I've got far too much of it in my backlog, so it just gets put in the backlog as well. But I was just correcting myself. I said in the video it'd be worth no more than 10. I've only been able to find one on Etsy at $36.93. And there's none on eBay, and Etsy itself is classing it as a rare find. So yeah, keep an eye out for this one. It's a Carboot tempo, the rectangle casserole dish. A brand new container of rad coasters. Beer mats, craft beer delivered. Rad beer. These will go for the man caves and stuff. I should get about 10 for this, I'm hoping. 5 to 10. Generally good beer mats go for a good price. I'm not going to show you all of it, I'll just show you a handful. I got a big load of soft plush and wooden food items and kitchen stuff. There's a spatula there, a watermelon, a bit of lettuce. You know, I'll just sell that as one big box. Generally goes well with preschool stuff and early learning. A ice cube or soap mold, wax melt mold. I hopefully will put a picture up here of the bundle I sold recently. Again, I picked these up and don't always show you because it's just generally filler. 10 or 15 of these, they go for £1 each per one you have. Always picking these up. Again, some more silverware. This is just a silver plated sugar spoon, sugar scoop. I need these for little sugar pots I get. Selling with a spoon adds a bit of value. Pottery candle holder, which is signed Melissa Siri, not too sure, quite rustic, bluish colour. A Pyrex Corning lid. The dish was there, but the dish was so scratched up, and I was going to leave both, and I thought, why am I leaving both? I know the lid is worth a £5 on its own, I'll just grab the lid. Now that was everything for filler bag, so we got a few good things, nothing that's like amazing. And then there was a store when I first walked in there. They are kind of new to the Carboot. They're there every week, so they're new like market kind of trader people. But they have rummage boxes. I love a rummage. I picked up 3 of these pottery mugs for 50p. Can't go wrong, 3 mugs for 50p. Pottery, I sell these for about £10 each. So 50p into £30, lovely. I will probably sell them singly. That one is not glazed, annoyingly. Well, it's glazed inside, but not on the outside. They're harder to sell. There's no markings. These two, though, I might do as a pair, possibly. Yeah, they're the same size. I have a little think, but easy, £10 each on them. I was then looking at these little ramekins. I am trying not to buy ramekins. They don't sell for an awful lot. And then he said, you can have them all for 50p. And I was like, I kind of need to buy more. So I think I got 8 of them for 50p. 6 are selling for £8. So again, not a big lot of value there. But a quick, easy sell. It's alcohol, it's French glass, good quality. They will hopefully sell quite quickly for a small profit. And then the last thing I got from that sort of rummage box store are 3 of these little amber pill boxes, amber glass. All in great condition, no damage. There's a slightly larger one here. I believe it's pressed glass. Coloured glass, I think, is starting to come back into a bit more demand, so I'm always looking out for it. I will most likely sell this on its own, and then these 2 as a little set together. Now on eBay they are going for about £3 or £4 on auction. I'm most likely going to sell these on Etsy through ZipSell, the cross-listing tool. And Etsy, I've been getting much better prices for things. So I'll list them high on eBay and then cross this to Etsy. But I'm probably going to sell them on Etsy, most likely to America. A lot of this stuff does end up going to America. And if you're wondering how does that work, the Americans are happy to pay higher shipping costs because in America shipping is very expensive. So I think my Etsy shipping is £30 and it costs me £25. That's a small parcel through Royal Mail. They're more than happy to pay £30 shipping. So yeah, if you haven't started cross-listing, you really should. It's so great. I've been selling so much stuff to America. It's crazy. And that is everything. I got like a couple of bits for bundles. There's a bit of jewellery in there that I job lot up at the end of the day. And that was it. That was the filler bag and the market guy. And now I would get onto the £5 box. So, £5 box. The guy was like, here's a box. Chuck what you want in it. We'll work out a price. He knows what me and Carla do. He's said before about eBay. And he always goes, oh, this is K-Finesse when I go over. And, you know, he knows I like the glass and the pottery. So he does help out a bit and it's cheap. So I think he knows these people are going to buy a lot if it's cheap enough. And we do. We do take a fair bit from his table. I brought quite a bit and Carla brought quite a bit. Now, for £5, I got a Denby spoon rest. This is going for £10 on eBay. I've already had a look at that. So that's £10. That's pretty much my money back on one item. I got one K-Finesse Bud Vase in a blue hue. It's got its sticker still on. That one is not... Oh, that one has one little nibble there. And this one, I think, also has a little nibble. No, so that one's okay. That one has a little nibble. I'm going to sell them together as a pair. Sorry, you can't really see them very well. I'm going to sell them together as a pair for about £12 just because they have some nibbles to them. Again, I paid £5 for all of this. So in a charity shop, I would pay like £3 each for them. So that was like great. How much did I actually pay? Hang on. 20, 40, 60, 80... £1, 20, 40, 60, 80, 2, 20, 40, 60, 80, 3. I paid about 40p per item then I've kind of roughly worked out here. I got these 2 egg cups because they looked very old. They are crazed. However, they do have a Regency England. I believe that's Regency... Masons, Regency England. I will see how much they are worth. Again, very crazed. Probably not worth a whole lot, but just throw it in the box. Had to get some little doggies. I got a Yorkshire Terrier, I believe that is. And, oh, that's a cat, actually. A little grey cat. Or is it a dog? I think that's a dog. Is it a Yorkie? Not sure. But they came with some absolutely adorable little baby ones. So you've got like the mummy one. I can't tell if they're cats or dogs. I think they're dogs because everyone is a dog. They look like cats though. I don't know. I'll sell them as a little bundle and just leave it for them, the buyers, to decide what they are. I also got 4 of the Denby bowls. These sell for £10 for 2. Again, I looked these up when we were having breakfast, so my money is like tripled already. Had to buy this. I just absolutely fell in love with it. I'm pretty sure this is something I've already got in stock but hasn't sold. It looks the exact same method of like making it. Like a fat lava kind of drip glaze maple leaf little trinket dish. Again, I paid 40p. That should go for a tenner. He always has pottery. It has an A and a D on the bottom. It's just a very small blue, I'd say it's probably a bud vase. Could be a little utensil pot, but again, 40p. And lastly, he said, do you want this? And all I saw was Stuart Fletcher top glass. And it's marked on the bottom top glass. That looks like, to me, some hand-blown glass, single stem bud vase. So I never finished the whole video, so I'm back here through the editing process to say thank you for watching, and I'll see you all next week.